Hello guys, I want to create some maybe tutorials for the source control, and it will be with Unreal Engine also, when you can connect it inside the editor, and it's just free, and you will get 20 gigs from the Gitlab, and I will show you Gitlab, all the setup, how to create account, how to work with the Git, but only basic, and install Git and working in the Unreal editor inside. Okay, let's go. We need to register inside GitLab. We need to like name. It's just for testing. Okay, I will write username. Email is just this. Password. No, I am not a robot. It's just for testing, guys. It's easily, but I will show you. Team just for me. It will be good. Just get started. And inside we have this GitLab account. We have also the name. This is our name of GitLab, and it's important name, but I will show you later maybe. Uh, Now we can work inside, but for working we should to have the Git on the PC, and it will be another tutorial. Thank you for watching, guys.